Hello my web viewers, welcome to one more video here in the channel, just a guy learning English, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to earn bitcoins with a system called TimeBucks. Okay, first thing you have to do is sign up for TimeBucks. This page, you have to access this page, the link will be in this video description. Okay, choose the option, click here to sign up. Okay, let's do this. You will be redirected to this page where you can sign up. Okay, in this option choose accept all. Okay, here you can log in. If you already have an account, choose login, or if you need to sign up, choose the second option. Okay, you can sign up with Facebook if you think is more convenient, or you can sign up with your email. Okay, type your email here, choose a password and repeat the password. Okay, check this box. I'm not a robot. Okay, next step, click on sign up now. You don't have to, you can't forget to activate your account entering your inbox. Okay, don't forget to do this. Okay, after you created your account, you will see a page like this one. Okay, with some options in menu. Okay, choose earn to see the possibilities of earnings. Okay, first thing you have service, first option. Okay, here you can find service. In the second option, content, you can check for several tasks you complete here. You can complete here. Okay, here in tasks, same thing. Okay, signups, you can sign up for websites and earn some cents. Okay, here you can sign up for several sites. Each site you sign up, you earn some cents, like 20 cents, 8 cents, okay, 4 cents, and so on. You can attach your TikTok account to earn money. You can refer friends to earn. Here we have an offer walls. Okay, there are several of them. You can earn cashback from AliExpress. If you buy in the AliExpress store, you can earn cashback using a link available here. Okay, you can short links to earn money with short links, and the sweepstakes. Okay, you are able to withdraw when you complete $10. Okay, to withdraw, you go to payments. No, you go to settings. First thing, payment method. Okay, choose Bitcoin, as you can see here. Okay, if you want to receive using other system, you can. The systems available are Payeer, Tango Card, RTM, Skrill, and Bitcoin. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked, and to the next one.